What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Blind Power. Today I want to talk about what's on my folding Android phone. So what's on my Android phone is the title of this video. I'm going to show you what's on my phone and how I have everything set up. Everything from my apps on the main screen and then my shortcut apps on the front screen. This is a Galaxy Fold, the first generation, and I'm going to talk about how I have things set up on my phone. I did what's on my iPhone last week, and this week we're going to do what's on my Android phone. Let's get started. Now, there we go. Okay, so this is my home screen, and I have the time with the date and the weather. And then on the bottom here, I have some stuff. I have my money. So my money folder, just like on the iPhone in the previous video, where I have my banking information, Uber, credit, Karma, Lyft, food apps, carrier stuff, PayPal, so like, UPS, FedEx, that kind of thing. Some job finding apps on here as well. And then on my media folder, I have a lot more stuff in here than I do on the iPhone when it comes to media. So YouTube, YouTube Studio, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Pandora, Spotify, AT&T TV, yeah, it's AT&T TV, and a whole bunch of other apps, including Audible. And I have a marine ways because you can see the tides and the ocean. It's a nice to have app. Okay, networking, as I said, I'm a nerd. I'm a computer science major, so I have a lot of weird apps. So in my networking, I have a speed test app. I have apps for AT&T. I have a thing, which is an app to test my network. TeamViewer to control my computer from wherever I am. My Spectrum, I had Spectrum a little bit ago. All sorts of apps. My Google Wi-Fi, which is the app for the Google Wi-Fi, which is for the mesh network I have currently in my home. So it's quite a bit of apps. DirecTV remote. I haven't used that in a while. Okay, so the next one is social. Social, I have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Slack. I have LinkedIn, Teams for video conferencing, Discord, WhatsApp, the email app, which is Edison Mail. I use Edison for my professional apps, and Zoom. Okay, and then that's the first page for the icons for the folders, and then beneath that I have the Google search bar. And then on my dock, so the dock stays the same on multiple pages. I have phone, messaging, Chrome, Google Play, and camera. And then I have a widget on the second page for my personal email. And then the last page I have a Telegram app. I gotta move that into the social folder. Yeah, I have Telegram and Emesis, my social media app for people with disabilities. All right, then I want to show you my front screen. Since this is a folding phone, my front screen looks a little bit different, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you that now. Okay, in my front screen, I have Uber, Amazon, Maps, and my bank. And then I have the Google search bar, and I have phone, Chrome, and camera. That's it. So it's nothing really that different on my front screen. So this is the Android phone I have. It's called the Galaxy Fold. It's running the latest version of Android 11. So that is what's on my Android phone. I have the Galaxy Fold. So the experience is your typical Android experience. So yeah, that's what's on my phone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays. hit the subscribe button, and remember to enable the notification bell to get all notifications of blind power uploads. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.